how to withdraw MetaMask to your bank account, or in short, how to sell your crypto on MetaMask and then transfer it to your bank account. So first thing you want to do is basically go to the buy and sell and then move your crypto and then click the sell button and select your region and then the currency which is located to the top right corner of your wallet address and then enter the amount of crypto that you want to sell. For example, zero point 0.5 Ethereum and then select the account destination you want. For example, like your debit card, credit card, bank account, or your PayPal. So in this case, you want to choose your bank account and then select the best real-time code from the industry-leading providers. So you'll be securely directed to the provider's website where you may have to share KYC and then directed back to MetaMask portfolio once you accept the code. And after returning to the MetaMask portfolio, click the Send Ethereum and then click Confirm to complete the transactions in your MetaMask wallet. And that's how you can sell your crypto. It's that easy. And same thing here. It's basically just converting it to your cash. So by tap you're sending your cash to and select an account destination, simply just select your bank account. And then, as always, get the codes to proceed, select the best code, and lastly, always review the order summary in your MetaMask app. And then tap confirm once you believe that the review and order summary is correct, you can now complete the transaction. And also take note, you can tap on progress notification to keep track of your order as it is processed, so it may take some time before the money reaches your bank account.